Hi everyone, Bill Bacardi. Hopefully everybody's well tonight. I just got home. We're going to pick a lock. And I've been thinking about this Piston Stroke from Tobias and Julian since yesterday when I opened the package from Daz Evers. It says T&J right on the side. And a 2.3 liter. It's a Wilka. And the pins in this are just awesome. I seen Daz Evers pick it. So I'm going to try and get it picked for you. We're going to get this opened up, and I really want to show you what's in here. I mean, they are just awesome, awesome, awesome pins, guys. Let me make sure that works in there. I'm pretty sure it does. It should be all right. Yeah, that works perfectly smooth. Tobias and Julian, I mean, they make some awesome, awesome locks. And the theme locks are just so cool. Like Pick Me makes the dragons. Tobias and Julian did this one. There's a few more out there. I don't remember them right off the top of my head right now. This is a wide open keyway. So I'm going to use this. I have the flat 5. I have 3 of them taped together. And let's see if we can get in this or not, guys. I know it was a pretty tough pick. I can tell you that. The upper pins are just absolutely awesome. Are you squared up there, guys? I'm sorry. I'm going to turn you. You know what? I got to turn the other light on. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't know that light was off. Hold on, fellas. Okay, that should make it a little better for you. Let's see. Yeah, we're pretty much squared up there. So yeah, Daz Evers sent me this package. Yes, it was a surprise package out of the blue. What it was, he heard me when I must have been talking, and I was running out of challenge locks or something before Keith Dean sent me that big giant package that he sent me. And as soon as he heard that, what the great guy that he is, he ran and put a package together and sent it out. So I had went out on a lockout last night. And when I left the house, there was nothing on my porch. And it was like 8 o'clock at night. I opened the lady's door for her, and then I got back home, and its white box was laying there. It was from Daz Evers. So I don't know if maybe one of the neighbors got it and threw it up on the porch for me or something. I really don't know. But just an awesome, awesome package. He sent me some picks. He sent me some really nice challenge locks. He's actually this one and a couple other ones. This lock seems to want really heavy tension, guys. If I leave it loose, it doesn't want to go anywhere. Really, nothing sets. It's just kind of springy. Okay, that's under 3. That was an overset for sure. But yeah, I want to get this open for you guys. I really want to. Oh, look at that deep fall set. I really want to show you the pistons that are in this. They are so cool, the top pins. I mean, the bottom pins are nice too, the key pins, but nothing like the tops. And like I said, I've seen what's in it already. Okay, I'm getting no feedback from nothing there because I'm in such a deep fall set is why, guys. But it's just one pin holding me here somewhere. And you ain't going to zip your way out of that. God, I'm scared I'm going to lock that back up completely. Yep, I just overset that one. Yep. Yeah, I just overset something. Let's start over, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. 2. Okay, we got a little turn on the plug there. I think that was number 3 that gave me that little turn, guys. Oh, now we went back into that deep fall set again. I'm really wondering if it's that 3 pin that's doing that deep fall set to me. Like I said, this guy just wants such heavy tension, man. Let me get a short hook here. Okay. Oh, I almost pushed my tension wrench out of there. Let me hold the tension on that. Okay. And we're going to go back to this reach because that number 1 pin is a really, really low cut. So I got to kind of work under him without hitting him. Because he's an overset trap for sure, guys. Actually, I think I'm caught in him already. That number 3 pin, something is really funny about him. And I don't really remember what was in there. Okay. Okay, that was 4. It gave me a little more false set. I'm turned probably to about, not that far in the plug yet. Okay, 1 is set. 2, okay, 2 is set now, I think. I touched that 3 and see it gave me the false set pick again. Then 4 took it away from me. That's weird. I mean, I wasn't expecting nothing easy from Tobias and Julian, trust me. These guys are very, very talented lock makers. I've seen a lot of their locks that they made. Whoop, a lot of people, guys. They put a lot of thought into what they're doing. It's definitely just 1 pin holding me right now here, guys, and I gotta figure out. I'm thinking it's number 1. No, it can't be because okay, now see, I touched 3 again, and it gave me that little bit of a false set again, and everything is locked up in there again now, guys. And it feels like 1 wants to give me counter again. Okay, 1, 2, 3. God, I hope this ain't going to be no 10-minute pick here, guys. I really want to try and keep all my videos under 15 minutes here. Okay. And I don't want to put you through a 10-minute pick if I don't have to. Where are we at already, guys? We're at 7 minutes. Wow. Sorry, but I'm trying here, fellas. It's a tough little lock here. Let me get my deep hook. See if I can't get all the way in the back of this. Yeah, I can't get under it back there. Try this medium hook from Daz Evers that Daz Evers sent me yesterday. What a beautiful pick, huh, guys? Okay, that was a good click there. See, I think that it's so thick in the front of this shaft that it's trying to overset 1 on me as soon as I stick it in that lock. That was a good click. I'm losing tension here, guys. Hold on. See, I touched, I think that was 4, and it tried to pull me back, but it's not giving me any counter there, see? Okay, 1, I just set him again, because he fell. Oh, we're open there. Wow. Guys, that was a tough lock. What are we at? 9 minutes, 45 seconds. Whew. Maybe we can get this gut done in 5 minutes at least. Jesus Christ. Okay, hopefully I'm still in frame, guys. Jeez. Great lock, guys. Tobias and Julian, unbelievable. Okay, it's got one of those clips on the back of it. Am I in frame there, guys? Yeah, I'm way good in frame there. I want to do this without locking it up, obviously. Very nice lock, guys. I can't wait to get it open so you guys can see what's in it. This is, like I said, probably one of the coolest. You know what? I don't even need a shim in this because I know that there's no T-pins in the top. Let me just turn that core a little bit. Wait till you see these pins. They are just absolutely awesome. Okay, here's all the pins are in and working. You can see, guys. Okay, number one is a really, really long spool. Number two, oh, that's a pin and two. Pin and key pin, I'm sorry. I'll orient them and I'll bring this down to the board. Oh, that was 4. 3 doesn't want to come out of there. Come on, buddy. All right, got him. And there's 4. 5, I'm sorry. Okay, in the core we have, let me see here. Undercutting in 2. I don't know if I'm in frame or not. Feels like undercutting in 3. I think that's it though, guys. Okay. Let's get some tweezers down here. Now wait till you see these, guys. These are just some of the most awesome pins I've ever seen in my life. Just like that. I'll have to dig those springs out, guys. Another piston. I mean, they have the connecting rods on them and everything. This is just an awesome, awesome team lock, man. We'll take the rest of them out of the back. Only 2 more in there. Oh, I almost lost number 5. Wow. That's 5. That's 4. Let's see if we can get these springs out the back here. Yeah, they don't want to come out of there, guys. They really don't want to come out too well, and I really would rather not dig them out of there. I don't think they're too much different. Yeah. Another copper, real long copper. Let's see if we can get 3 out of there like that. Oh, 3 came right out. Yeah, they're pretty much the same. The end one, I think, is the different one, number 5 only. And I'll bring us down, like I said, to the pinning board as soon as I... no, there's number 1. Come on, number 2. There he is. All right, beautiful. I hate beating on locks like that, guys. Okay, let's see. Is there anything done up in that Bible, guys? I don't think so, but maybe. No, nothing in the Bible, guys. But this is an awesome, awesome pick. Did you see all the feedback from that? Piston Stroke is the name of the lock, guys. Let me get a pick here. Whew, and then we'll bring this down to the pinning board, and I'll show you what was in it. Just an awesome, awesome lock. Don't pay attention to the pins that are up above, guys. Those are all just some stuff I was playing with. Okay, let me get them all fixed there first. Okay, number 1, we had this really, really long spool here, key pin, with this piston above it. See, it's got the connecting rod on it. It's even got serrations in it for the, where like the rings would go on the piston itself. How cool is that? Number 2 was this pin and pin, key pin. He went just like this way, guys. I'm sorry. He was in there like this, and then this guy was above him. And he's got a serration on the pin and pin. Then another piston above it, long copper spring. Number 3, we had this spool with this piston above it. Really, I mean, that's just awesome. The pins are just awesome there. That is so cool, I think. Me being a motor guy, I mean, that's very, very awesome. Another piston here with the double serration on it for like the ring, where the rings would go on the piston. Another spool here with a piston above it with a really long copper spring. This is the longest one of all of them. I'm going to give you another once over here, guys, because I'm almost at 15 minutes. So I'm going to do this pretty fast. Obviously, that's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for all your support, guys, and have a great night.